It's probably been just spawn back to the deployment.
Yeah, he was heading over there.
Okay. So DP is in the middle and Sergeant Squirrel's over there on the other side.
Then I'm over here.
I'm Sergeant Squirrel over here. And we're just going to sit here and see if he sees us.
Yep. We've already done this one.
Yeah, it was okay, so we had 3 people last time. They had 2 tanks and a helicopter. So they had all 4 bases. These barricades weren't put up, but so a guy was up at C and he was just shooting the building. A guy was past this barrier and like he was coming down the road towards this way, but then he turned right towards B, and the helicopter was just trying to blow up our base.
I'm gonna
So-
dash into this building.
Yeah, he crashed in right there.
I thought it was that one on the broken one. Or the one that's fallen.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
no,
he
it
crashed
was-
in the phone and landed on the broken part.
Yeah.
And blew it.
No, it didn't blow up.
Oh,
He actually
stand still.
died. Stand still.
Pull out your knife.
Are
Did
you
you not see us?
Really? If he did, you know he would have killed us. Trevor, you should probably scoot over.
And right
There
there.
you
That's just
There he is.
Oh,
Don't move.
he's lining up. What's that?
really? Yeah, we're still good. We're still good.
Don't move.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Don't move, don't move.
Still one. We spotted him. We know where he's at.
Oh yeah, I missed that. Sorta. Hardcore.
Grenade out!
Oh.
You would've.
Uh-oh.
Don't move.
Woo.
He thinks we're over there.
When he turns around, shoot him one time, and then switch back to your pistol.
It's gonna. You mean your knife?
Use silence gun.
I don't have a silence.
I don't have it. Oh, I have a
I have a
science
44.
pistol.
I have a 44 magazine. He's fine over there at deployment.
Sound like that out.
Hey, sit.
Oh, no, he's too fast.
Get back in here.
Shoot him. Oh.
Wait.
Wait, move.
Nice. What is this guy?
More people need to join.
He's flying our
I don't know.
base.
What's he doing? I have an idea. Let's move up the road.
Stay in line so we can just stop through the setup.
Okay. Stand right here, Austin. Kyle, stand right here. See him?
Yeah, I see him barely.
Oh. Yeah, he's flying around the building that we were...
Do you have any grenades? Throw a grenade over our door toward D. And,
Do it that way?
trying to notice it.
We're probably gonna move. Maybe we should go back. Actually, let's capture C. Wait,
No, just walk.
go back.
Wait.
He's coming.
So we should run into D and then run back to there. Wait, Alright, come back. He's coming, I hear him.
Run. Come on. Knife out.
Stop.
There he is.
Don't move. He's probably gonna notice this time.
Oh my.
Wow.
This guy's an idiot.
Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
I thought he would have seen us.
Like seriously, I
Such
seriously thought we were dead.
Black figures in the middle of the road.
Wait,
Don't move.
Oh, there he is. Shoot. Okay, switch back.
Don't move.
We should have used Howard's gun.
Wait, stop.
Hey, it's alright.
Oh my. I think he just noticed us.
Nope.
Really?
No,
Really? Really?
Nope.
He thinks we're over there by the van.
Oh my god. I'll hold back so people can see the dead name.
XDJ360, yeah.
Now he
Oh,
sees
it's about
us.
time.
He only saw me, apparently. Dude, how do you not notice that? I mean,
Nope.
it's looking at him. Now he does. After flying toward us for the 5th straight time.
Seriously, how long does it take a guy?
He's trying to teabag his helicopter, look.
Dude, I mean, when you killed me, I could see you guys perfectly from his point of view.
Well, he's dead.
Alright, well,
That's our time. Yeah. Right?
This has been a KNT Studios production.
thank you for watching.
Subscribe, like, and favorite, and show your friends. Maybe even your mom. Who knows? She might be into that. Alright.